Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Welcome to Moseholm Yoga. I did my first yoga training in 2013, and since then I have been guiding yoga in and outside of Denmark. Physical activity has always been a big part of my life. It has always given me a lot of freedom and life quality since I was a kid. But I've mostly been running and playing football, and then in my mid-20s, late 20s, I started getting lots of aches and pains in my body. And I woke up every morning feeling stiff and rigid and full of pain. So I knew I had to change something. And then I started doing some yoga. It took me a while to get into a regular yoga practice. But once I did, I really got hooked. I felt the positive physical changes in my body, and I felt the positive changes in my mindset. And by then I knew that I wanted to guide yoga as well. I wanted to give all this further to other people. So I quit my job as a social worker and did my first yoga training. With my yoga guidance, I hope to create a safe and comfortable room for everyone to come and just be. Come as you are, breathe deep, notice how you feel in your body, in your mind, and then respond to what you feel. A room to get more back to you, more back to your intuition, your creativity, without having to follow everyone else's rules or norms. So more back to you. A room where you can feel free, feel strong, and enjoy even more being you. I believe that yoga does not have to be tough, hard, or feel like a struggle while you're doing it, but it can be joyful while you're doing it. So I would like to invite you to take more ease into your practice. A beautiful thing about yoga is that it's your own individual journey, and at the same time you can do it with others. I believe that yoga can be for everyone. It doesn't matter if you have never done any yoga in your life, or if you have never really done any sports. It doesn't matter if you're very young or very old, very flexible or not flexible at all. It's all about you feel like you want to try it out. It's all about you finding the style of yoga and the yoga guide that suits you wherever you are in your life in that moment. And then just come and take it from there. The invitation is always open.